Hello friends, ever wondered how ethical hackers exploit vulnerabilities legally just like real attackers? In today's video, we are diving deep into the Metasploit Framework, the most powerful exploitation tool used by ethical hackers, pen testers, red team professionals, and why Metasploit is required in cybersecurity, how to download and install also. So if you are into cybersecurity, hacking labs or red teaming, you are in the right place. So let's start. So what is Metasploit? Metasploit is an open source penetration testing framework developed by Rapid7. Security professionals use it to identify, exploit, and validate vulnerabilities in systems with permission, of course. Think of Metasploit as a Swiss Army knife for hacking, scanning, exploiting, payload delivery, post exploitation, all in one place. Why ethical hackers and red team use Metasploit? Ethical hackers and red teamers use Metasploit to simulate real world cyber attacks, test an organization's security postures, validate vulnerabilities found during scanning, train blue team, and improve defenses. In short, it helps organizations stay one step ahead of attackers. Metasploit is built using several core components like exploit, payloads, auxiliary modules, encoders, post-exploitation modules. Exploits used to code that takes advantage of vulnerabilities. Payloads, what runs after exploitation. Auxiliary modules, scanners, buzzers, and enumeration tools. Encoders help bypass antivirus detection. Post-exploitation modules used after getting access. All of these modules are easily accessible through the Metasploit console. There are multiple ways to use Metasploit, like MSF console, most powerful and commonly used CLI. Hermitage, it is GUI-based version. Metasploit Pro, mainly used for enterprise level. For ethical hackers, MSF console is the go-to choice. So Metasploit is used for multiple reasons: to gather the information and scanning, identifying vulnerable services, selecting the right exploit, configuring payloads, gaining access of systems, post-exploitation, and previous escalation. In real world, Metasploit used in penetration testing engagements, red team exercises, security audits, vulnerability validation, cybersecurity training. It is not just a hacking tool, it is a defensive security asset. So who should learn Metasploit and use it? An aspiring ethical hackers, a cybersecurity student, a SOC analyst, and a red team enthusiast. So let's see how to download and install it. You can use any browser. In browser search Metasploitable framework source forge. So it will show first link sourceforge.net. Open that one and click on download. So it is preparing the download. It will start in some time. Yeah, it started. So already I have downloaded, so I will not download. It will download in a zip file. Extract the zip file. So you can extract the zip file. So it will create one separate folder for that. Open that folder. Inside that Metasploitable, this file will be there. Virtual machine configuration. Double click on that file to install it. Automatically it will open in a VMware. So VMware is already installed in my system. How to install VMware? You can check the video available on our channel. Click OK. I copied it. It started. Automatically it will configure the requirement like RAM, storage, network configuration, processors. Even you can change manually after installation also. We'll see like that one also. So it is showing here percentage. Yeah, installation is completed. We can see here Metasploit table, warning never exports, contact Metasploit, no, msfdev at metasploit.com. This is email address. Login with MSF admin username and password MSF admin to get started. Username and password is same. It is showing here also. You can see. Let's see. MSF admin. So it is asking for the password. Enter same MSF admin. That's it. We are logged into Metasploit Framework. Installation is completed. So let's see the IP address of it. Yeah, we can see IP address is also showing 198.162. Sorry, 192.168.18.130. So we can see what kind of resources allocated to the system. Memory 512 MB, which is RAM, processor 1, hard disk 8 GB, CD DVD auto detect, network NAT. So memory here we can increase. While changing the resources, please make sure your system is shut down so that it will not corrupt any data. Shut down and then change the resources. It is the best practice to change the resources to keep all data secure in fine way. So you can change the system RAM here, then processors also you can change here. Once you shut down the system, it will show even hard disk minimum 8 GB is fine. If you want, you can extend also. Network adapter, keep always NAT to have the internet access also. So and if you are making any changes, click on apply here. It will show one button apply and click OK. So like this, you can install and download the Metasploit framework. So this was all about the Metasploit framework. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you, guys.